Hey guys, welcome back man to my YouTube channel. Yo, thank you for staying loyal to the page and everything. I know I've been absent for a minute, but yo, it was all worth it. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Yo, so much things happen. I bought my first real estate property, and it's not even only one property, yo. It's 3 units. It's one building, but 3 units, yo. And like, yo, I'm so excited. I'm so proud. I closed out on this property like in August, and like I got 2 of them up and running. The third one I'm doing renovation on it, and then I'm gonna be living in the unit. But within a year, I'm also gonna relocate and rent that out back to Section 8. But yo, it's absolutely been a blessing. It's been a roller coaster. This is actually my first ever rental property in America, and yo, I can say yo, it wasn't easy, but it wasn't hard at the same time. And the reason why, because I said that, because some of the things were expected to happen due to the building it is. It's an older building. It was built in like 1900, you know, like 1927 or 18 something. I don't even remember the date, but you know, some of the things that I expect that it was gonna happen. So I kind of like pre-plan like, yo, where I'm gonna get the money from to fix some of these issues and stuff. But thank God, inshallah, he did it for me, you get me? And I can honestly say, yo, I'm just looking forward to the journey and everything. But yo, it's gonna be crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys the building. I'm also gonna show you guys the inside of the apartment that I'm doing a renovation on right now, and hopefully get it up and running. I also have inspection coming out for the unit for Section 8 as well. I got so many things moving, but I promise you guys that yo, on this channel, like I told you, I want to teach you guys about investing, financial freedom, and just living your best life with no financial burden. And so not only do I preach it, I try to live it myself, from buying cryptocurrency stocks. So now I liquidate all of that to buy my first building, a 3-unit. I bought it over in Chicago, Illinois, and I paid $440 with $13,000 down. And yo, it's been amazing. But not only with the $13,000 down, but the rest of the money went into renovation and repairing and stuff like that. So I just want to give a big shout out to everybody that support the movement and the journey, because this is just one step closer to the goals, you get me? And they always say, oh, you eat an elephant, just take it one bite at a time. So without further ado, I'm gonna come out the car now and walk the building and show you guys what it look like from outside, inside, going up the stairway and everything. I'm also gonna be doing some little minor cosmetic renovation on it, so you guys might see those in the video as well. I buy some caulk and a caulk gun and stuff like that. And you know, I have new, it's just crazy, yo. It's just crazy. But yo, if I don't cover everything in this video, okay, just a glimpse of everything, a summary of everything what happened. If I don't cover everything, just leave a comment, and for any questions that you have, just yo, put it in the comment section, or even DM me, you know, King Button up on the Instagram, just to see if you have any questions or anything about going for your first property, what type of property you to look for, or if it make the numbers work for you, you get me? Because I finance mine with the FHA, first time home buyer program. But with that program, you can buy anywhere from a 1 to a 4 units. So I will try to maximize mine as much as possible. Did a house hack, and so I rent out 2 units. I have one that I'm currently renovating for me, and then within a year, like I said, I'm once a year passed, because that's the guideline with the FHA, I want to refinance the building into a conventional and get that next unit rented out back to Section 8. You get me? And yo, but I'm gonna say, if you have no questions or anything, just leave it in the comment. You know, Alright guys, so that was just a little bit of a tour of the property. You guys see the outside is a 3 unit going up, 1, 2, 3. And right now I'm currently on the 3rd floor renovating it. And then I have an inspection tomorrow. And then after I pass that inspection, hopefully I can then move to the other floors and get those up and running as well. You get me to the um, maximum profit and everything. Just forcing this appreciation in it. But yo, I'm so happy, so excited. Um, it's crazy, man. Been a long journey, and I learned a lot. Like owning my first property, I learned so much. Like it's been crazy, yo. Um, but yo, like I said, yo, if you have no questions or anything, that was just a little snippet of the property. So if you guys have any questions or anything that you guys want to ask, just leave it in the comment. And I'll get back to you as quick as possible. But like I said, this is just one out of many properties that I plan to own. And like I'm trying to go ham like by next year. I want to own at least 10 units. So this is 3, so I got 7 more to go. So yo, to my fans and my supporters and everybody that was on this journey helping me, yo, big up on yourself. Just stay tuned. It's gonna be a great movement. You get me? Peace. They put the video for your end, but the bro come surprise the squad. Yo, this is a real time, you see me? And the bro that the real time, the investor, the bridge in the bro, I'm doing something there. Yeah, man, I'm putting out the goons there, you see me? That's the funds, my way for it. Yo, guys, yo, for the rest of the vlog, you just want to follow on the bro page up there soon, very soon. The dog can drop all of the gems on the real estate and everything. Me, when I can go with the basic of my life, but that's the real mogul right there, you see me? Yeah, man. So, yo, your page name that man them can find him. Shamar Greg, realtor. Yeah, Shamar Greg, realtor. I remember say, where you want to go? Chicago, and what else? Georgia. And Georgia, yo, no work for there, Florida too. The dog can bless you.